For today's Tesla Model 3 accessory video, I'm going to showcase this awesome display from Teslasy. This might be my favorite one yet. It's the most modern looking, it's thin, it's minimal, it doesn't block the air vent, it looks high tech. Check this out. What's up guys, Marian from Camera to Freedom. If you guys use your camera to take photos and video and make YouTube content so that you can live a life of freedom, then hit that like and subscribe and let's go. So for today's Tesla Model 3 accessory video, I've been doing displays for ever since I got my Tesla about a year and a half ago, or almost 2 years now. I'm at 70,000 miles in this thing, it's crazy. But I've been messing around with so many displays. I was content with the minimal display. I've had big displays, small displays, hidden displays, and they all do the job. There were some displays in the past that would block the air vent. I didn't really like it because during hot seasons, I kind of like the air to be blowing to my face. But nowadays, all the displays that's coming out this year, they're doing their best to make sure that the air vents are not blocked. And I've been looking for something that's the cleanest, the most minimal I can think of, because I do like the interior of my Tesla Model 3, how minimal it looks. This is from Teslasy. I'm gonna have the discount code link below, and if you guys do buy from me, thank you so very much. All right, so let's open this up. I'm gonna show you how to install it. I'm gonna talk about it. Let's go. Love this company, Teslasy. You gotta check out their website. They have a lot of modern things. Tesla accessory companies like this that will carry high-end products as well, like real carbon fiber front lips and wings and things like that. So they really pick and choose on what item that they're gonna showcase. Here's the manual, comes with a cable, plastic wedge tool, comes with a screwdriver. This would be the cable for your tiny camera that goes to the front, which I'm gonna show. It's a little bit challenging because the firewall is kind of tough to find, but once you get it, then it's easy. They give you the Intel for the older 2020 and below, and then the newer AMD processor from 2021 and up. Ooh, that's super clean. Love the way that looks. All right, so you get the little wedge tool and you just pop this little plastic piece out. You take it out from the other side also, and then all you do is just put it in there, just a little there. Yeah, that's all it is, nothing to unscrew. So that's very easy to do. But make sure you go into your setting and then you turn off the car. Boom, that's it, just that simple. So you're taking this top part out because the wires are gonna come through behind this little thing into the top of the wheel. But you just put your wedge tool in here and then just pop it, easy. And that's one thing cool about this Tesla too. It just feels like it's a toy. I'm not a mechanic. I hate even changing my oil in my regular car. It's not for me. I don't know how to do it. But for this Tesla, it always feels like it's a toy. Get this guy out, right? Just a tiny little clip that holds it into place. Let's pull that out too. There you go, boom. The whole thing comes out. You're gonna have to take out this rubber piece right here. Just pull it, just be gentle. And this part also, pinch it and then pull it out. Pinch to pull, boom, good. Put that to the side. There's the piece right here that goes right on top. You just pop it right back in. Boom, there you go, in. There you go. Let's put that to the side. I'm gonna bring the wire in first. The cable, it comes with both the old school Intel plug and the new school, the AMD plug. All you're plugging in is this little blue OBS connector, and then this white part, that's the power. So you got both sides. Pop this little side piece out. This pops out. And then there's a little plastic, there's a plastic clip that holds it into place. This little bolt right here. Pull it back a little bit, and just enough to expose it right here. So the OBS blue one goes in, boom, just like that. And then the white plug goes in here. Plug it in, and then the other part, plug it to the other end. So it's got a daisy chain going on. There it is, plugged it back. Now this goes inside. And then we're just gonna tuck everything in to the side right here, just like that. And then we'll put everything back in. You open up the trunk, just pop this out. There's 2 screws here, there's 2 here, 2 here, and this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one just pulls up. And this little pin. And push this in, and then pull. There. This little camera comes with screws, but I'm just gonna use the double-sided sticker that goes right on top, right here. So the wire's gonna come here, here, and through here. So the wire comes up here. I tipped it here, under, and then over, and then into this little empty slot right there. Instead of that one right over there, it's coming out here. I'm gonna put it under the rubber and into this rubber right here. And then I'm gonna put a little tape on it. So I'll be honest, I've had this display for about a week, almost 2 weeks now. And right now it's my favorite display out of all displays. On top of the fact that it's got a front-facing camera, that's very helpful because I got that expensive front lip in the front. I could use that anytime I come to a parking that I've never been before, and in case that there's a little curb rash and I'm not sure how close I am. Sometimes I feel kind of worried, right? I'm sure you've gone through that too. But the coolest part about it is that every display is usually a 16:9. It's a rectangle display, and that's just a normal common display. But this display is skinny and long, and it just makes it look so high-tech. It makes it look so modern and different. It's even skinnier than some of this mini displays that goes on top of your steering wheel. So it really doesn't block that air vent and lets it blow into my face. So I feel comfortable right now. I got the air vent on right now. The downfall, it only has one design of your front face, but it's the best design. I've seen a lot of different ones where there's like numbers and big circle in the middle and clusters on the sides. I've seen all different kinds, and I'm not a big fan of those cluttered look, to be honest with you. I love the way this is. So it's got one design. Everything is designed nicely. It does have a different font than your Tesla does, but it's a nice font. It's nice and big and very visible. It's got the time, temperature outside. It's got the how many miles you've driven, a year and a half, and I'm at 75,000 miles. Horrible, I drive so much for my work. How many percentage, what gear you're at, and of course, your miles per hour sign right over on the other side. If you haven't messed around with Apple CarPlay in your car, it is very helpful. You have Siri, an AI that could kind of talk to you. So you could always say things like, Siri, take me to Starbucks next to my road. Take me home. Siri, tell me a joke. Very modern, very cool. Yes, you can do that with a Tesla also. Push the button and have Tesla take you home. But with Siri, it takes you to the next level. It's got a few more features that the Tesla doesn't have that the iPhone has. If you're into Apple CarPlay, if you know how to use that and you like Waze and Apple Map, it's nice to have that right on the middle of the screen. Plus, when you're driving and I have Apple Map on the middle of the screen, it's so much comfortable for me to drive traffic instead of me looking down like this to kind of like look at the map. I could just, with my eye only, just look down quickly and I could still see the road and just look right back up. So that's very helpful. If my eye goes to the bottom right, yes, I could still kind of see the road, but it's a little bit more away from the main vision. So basically, it's just more safe. Coming to a stop and you're curious on what's in front of your car, but you can't see, front camera, boom, and now you can see. The cool thing is that your Tesla, when you turn right or left, it gives you a blind spot warning. A red flashes on the screen, on the camera, and so does your display. You see the red light on the left or right start blinking, also giving you a warning that there's somebody in your blind spot. So that's very helpful. But like I said, this is my favorite display. I think that my display videos might be done with. It's gonna be here to stay. If I end up making more display videos, I'll put it on, then I might just bring this back. But I say that now, but every year they're always coming out with something cool. So it might change. So as of now, this is my favorite display for sure. Steering wheel is never going to block your view because it's gonna move with the steering wheel. So that's really neat. So bottom line, guys, I do have the discount code link below. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. And please leave a comment. Anything, just say what's up. It'll help out with the algorithm, and I definitely appreciate all the help I can get. I got my referral code if you want to buy your Tesla, so you can get your 10,000 points. I get 10,000 points, and we all win. You can get cool stuff like supercharged miles, t-shirts, and gears, and accessories, all this cool stuff. It's Tesla money, so it's free money. If you don't use it, you don't get anything, so you might as well hook yourself up if you don't have any other link. Anyways, thank you so much for watching it all the way through, and I will see you next time.